Alright, what's up guys? So Joseph take here once again. In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy your personal Google Play Console account in Nigeria. Yes, in Nigeria, it's very hard to buy personal Google Console account because number one thing is that Nigeria card is not working for it. So that's number one thing. Nigeria puts limit on their card whereby you can't spend more than $20 with Nigeria card, and Google Play Console account is $25. So in this video, I will show you how you can buy your personal console account. If you don't have a dollar card, you can message me on WhatsApp. Uh, I can I will give you the cost for that, but it's not free. So let's go. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create your personal Google Play Console account, and one this is what you are going to do. So you just go to your Chrome and type Google Play Console, sign in, or just type Google Play Console. So once you click on the first link or anyone, you will be required to put your password again, and also on your two-step verification, or if you have on it before, it just go directly to this page. Of course, you can use your phone to do this, not only laptop. You can use your phone to do this. So if you're an individual or an organization, you choose. So please make sure you choose individual if you are getting the console account for yourself, because if you choose organization, you will be asked for organization verification. That's your business verification. That is, you will have to have a business certificate. You now use the business certificate to verify your account. You get me? So let's go with yourself. That's organization. That is individual. So when you click on yourself, um, they will ask you, tell us about your previous experience with Play Console and Android. And Android, this is only visible to you. So you can just write, um, a new developer, or you can say you're a Kotlin developer, a Flutter developer, or anything. You can just put anything there. So another question they will ask you is that, have you used use this use any other Google account to access Play Console in the past 6 months other than this? So no, click on no, and they will ask you to put your website. If you have a website URL, you can put it, but if you don't have, you can click on I don't have website and click on continue, click on next. So here they will ask for your developer name. So I'm getting this account for someone. I'm getting it for a client. So the person, so contact name. All right, so this is the contact name and the email address. This email address right here. So here they will ask you to put your preferred language. So under here you click English. So they will ask you for your country. This Nigeria, you choose Nigeria. Your street address. You ask for your street address. So your local government and the city. Your postal code. You can go to Google. If you don't know your postal code, you can just come here and type your state, any state you are. Let me say Lagos, Lagos, Ikorodu, postal code. So you can see you can check your area and copy your postal code there. So you can look for any of your location and put your postal code. So I'm using postal code for this location, which is 640103. So they will ask for phone number. This phone number you will receive OTP from this phone number. So it have to be plus 234. Phone number have to be plus 234 because you will receive OTP from the phone number plus 234. So you can click on verify once you are done with that. Oh, okay. So you click on next. So in this place they will ask you how many apps do you plan to publish on Google Play Store in the next 12 months? So you can choose how many apps do you think you can publish, and they will ask you also earn money on Google Play Store. So like you tell you that do you plan to earn money with the app you want to publish? So if yes, you click on yes, and if no, you click on no. So yes, planning to make money via ads and in-app purchase. So they ask you the category of your app. You can choose your category of your app, and if your category of app is not here, you click on none of the above and next. So you accept the terms and condition and ready to make payments. Create account and make payments. Right, so you click on create and pay. You get me. So now you're asked to buy the account right now. So if you have already linked a card with your account, so you can click on this place so that you can add a new card because I know Visa card is not working for Google Console account. So please note that note that very well. So I want to add another debit card there now. So I want to add another debit card there. So I'm using my details here. So I'm gonna put my name here as the card holder name. So click on save card. Please make sure your card details is correct. Make sure it's correct, and make sure you don't put the location on the card. Put Nigeria location, because if you put the location on the card on your when you want to make payment for Google Play Console account, it will automatically change to US account. So you need a US ID card in order for you to verify it. Of course, if you buy personal Google Play Console account, now you still need to verify it with valid ID card, either an international passport or driver license or national ID, not NIN. NIN is not working for Google Play Console account. So let me click on buy now. So we have successfully created a Google Play Console account. Of course, you can see it now. This is a pop and playing. I've already created it. So the next thing for us to do now is to verify the account. You get me? Identity verification. That's the next thing for us to do. The identity verification is the next thing for us to do. So if you want to verify your identity, just click on verify identity. I've told you previously that for you to verify your identity, you need either, you can see it's a driver license, passport, national ID card, not NIN, or resident permit. That is what you need in verifying your console account. So if you don't have any of this, you can still message me. I can help you with this. It will cost you money. So I can help you with this. So click on start verification. So you will be asked to upload the legal name of the ID card. You can use someone else's ID card. That's another joy part of it. You can use someone else's ID card. So for us to do this now, I want to use this ID card. All right, I want to use this ID card. This is the ID card I want to use. So select the ID card. So I'm using passport, international passport. So I'm asked to upload it. So for you to upload it, let me just scroll down. So this is it here. I don't want to show it on the screen because of policy. So I have to upload it like 3 times. You have to re-upload it like 3 times because of the clear image. Google will need the clear image. So you have to upload it like 3 times before you will see image uploaded. That they will tell you that when it you will continue uploading it until you notice that this image, this stuff here, this image you uploaded may not be readable until it's removed automatically. So let's do that the last time. So now you can see. So click on next. And you can still use the same address as you used before and click on submit. You can see verification is successfully. So the console account is gotten and the verification is successful. So if you like this video, please kindly share with your friends. And also, if you need a dollar card or verification ID card in order for you to buy your console account, you can right away message me. I will attend to you and also help you. And if you want me to buy the console account for you as well, I can do that. So do have a blessed day, guys.